Are you ready to explore the thrilling world of Enduro e-bikes? Well, we're diving into the top picks for Enduro electric mountain bikes in 2024. From the rugged trails to the adrenaline-pumping descents, these bikes are designed to take your riding experience to new heights. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the 5 best Enduro e-bikes of 2024. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Scott RANSOM eRIDE. Now, if you're familiar with the RANSOM, you know it's a force to be reckoned with on the trails. But Scott took things up a notch by introducing an e-bike version that's packed with even more fun and versatility. With 180 millimeters of travel and an award-winning design, powered by a Bosch drive unit, the RANSOM eRIDE is ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way. One of the standout features of the RANSOM eRIDE is its impressive range, boasting up to 85 kilometers on a single charge. Plus, with a recharge time of just under 5 hours, you'll spend less time waiting and more time riding. And let's talk about that maximum battery capacity of 625 watt-hour. It's like having an endless supply of power at your fingertips. But it's not just about the numbers. The RANSOM eRIDE is packed with thoughtful design elements to enhance your riding experience. From the integrated chain guide to the ergonomic cockpit, every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure maximum performance and comfort on the trails. And with the Bosch Performance CX Generation 4 drive unit, you can expect nothing but the best in terms of power and efficiency. Next up, we have the Propain EKANO 2CF coming in at number 4. This bike is all about elevating your ride to the next level with groundbreaking technology and intuitive operation. Powered by a SRAM Eagle Powertrain, the EKANO 2CF delivers maximum performance for riders of all skill levels. One of the standout features of the EKANO 2CF is its natural ride feel, thanks to the seamless power delivery of the SRAM Eagle Powertrain. With 90 Nm of torque and 680 watt peak power, this bike gives you the feeling of having superhuman legs on the trails. Plus, with a 630 watt-hour battery and optional range extender, you can enjoy extended riding time without worrying about running out of juice. But what really sets the EKANO 2CF apart is its simplicity and intuitiveness. With features like auto shift and coast shift, you can focus on the trail ahead without having to worry about gear changes. And with the SRAM AXS smartphone app, you can customize and adjust your ride to suit your personal preferences with ease. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the Giant Rain E+0. Developed and tested by Giant's eBike Enduro pros, this bike is designed to conquer every trail, climb, and descent with ease. With a proven Maestro rear suspension and powerful SyncDrive Pro motor, the Rain E+0 gives you total control and confidence on the most rugged terrain. One of the highlights of the Rain E+0 is its superior handling and agility, thanks to its unique wheel setup and updated geometry. Whether you're navigating technical terrain or blasting down steep descents, this bike delivers unmatched performance and stability. Plus, with features like Ride Control Ergo 3 and the Giant eBike app, you can fine-tune your ride and track your fitness goals with ease. But what really sets the Rain E+0 apart is its long-lasting power, thanks to the down-tube integrated energy pack. With the ability to climb steep mountains and enjoy fun descents all day long, this bike is ready for whatever adventure you have in store. Moving on to number 2 on our list, we have the Pole Sonni Enduro. This bike is all about pushing the limits of what's possible on the trails, with its CNC machined 7075 T6 frame and top-of-the-line components. Powered by a Bosch Smart System Performance Line CX motor, the Sonni Enduro delivers unparalleled performance and reliability in even the most challenging conditions. One of the standout features of the Sonni Enduro is its progressive geometry, which is designed to maximize agility and stability on the trails. With 170 millimeters of front travel and 160 millimeters of rear travel, this bike is ready to tackle anything you throw its way. Plus, with components like the RockShox CB Select Fork and SRAM GX Eagle drivetrain, you can trust that this bike will deliver a smooth and responsive ride every time. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Sonni Enduro is its use of 7075 aluminum. This material is known for its strength and durability, making it the perfect choice for riders who demand the very best from their equipment. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Nukeproof MEGAWATT CARBON 297 taking the top spot on our list. Developed and designed in Northern Ireland, this bike is the culmination of years of testing, development, and collaboration with SRAM. Built around Nukeproof's race-winning Mega platform, the MEGAWATT CARBON 297 is ready to take on the toughest trails on the planet. At the heart of the MEGAWATT CARBON 297 is the new SRAM Eagle Powertrain, which delivers unparalleled power and performance on the trails. With features like auto shift and coast shift, you can focus on the ride ahead without having to worry about gear changes. Plus, with a 720 watt-hour battery, you can enjoy extended riding time without compromising on performance. But what really sets the MEGAWATT CARBON 297 apart is its unbeatable combination of stability and agility. With a tweaked rear linkage and supple suspension, this bike delivers a smooth and responsive ride in even the most technical terrain. Plus, with features like improved internal cable routing and storage under the motor cover, this bike is as practical as it is high-performance. So, which Enduro e-bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.